Hey everyone, welcome back to Spiral. Today we have got something super interesting for you. A full review of one of the most popular phone tracking apps out there, mSpy. Whether you are looking to monitor your kid's phone or just curious about how these spy apps work, this review will cover everything you need to know. So make sure to stick around and let's dive into it. Before diving into the features, one of the first things you need to know is whether mSpy is compatible with your target device. The app works on both Android and iOS devices, but each platform has different installation requirements. Here's what you need to know. mSpy works on Android devices running Android 4.0 or higher. One of the great things about mSpy is that it can function on non-rooted Android phones, which means you don't have to go through the hassle of rooting the device. To install mSpy on an Android device, you will need physical access to the target phone. Once you have access, you simply download the app from the mSpy website, install it and follow the easy on-screen instructions. It takes just a few minutes and after that the app will run in the background gathering data discreetly. For iPhones the setup is even easier. You don't need to physically install anything on the device. Instead, all you need is your child's iCloud credentials and mSpy can access the data stored on the iCloud account. This means you don't need to jailbreak the device, which makes the process seamless and much less intrusive. mSpy can track a variety of information from the iCloud such as text messages, call logs, photos, videos, and even WhatsApp chats. This no jailbreak feature is one of the app's standout benefits for iPhone users. Alright, let's get into the good stuff, the features. mSpy really shines here, offering tons of tracking options for both Android and iPhones. One of the most essential features of mSpy is its ability to track both incoming and outgoing calls. For each call, you will get detailed information including the contact name, phone number, date, time, and duration of the call. This can be especially helpful for parents who want to monitor who their kids are talking to. mSpy also tracks text messages, including deleted messages. Even if your child deletes a text after sending it, you will still be able to view the content on your dashboard. This feature can be particularly useful for keeping an eye on conversations that may otherwise go unnoticed. Another standout feature of mSpy is its ability to track media files on the target device. mSpy can access photos and videos captured after the app's installation. While it doesn't offer full access to the phone's gallery, it still lets you view new and older media files, giving you insight into what's being shared or saved. While the app may not provide instant access to new photos and videos, you will eventually get to see these files on your mSpy dashboard. Depending on the syncing speed, there may be a short delay before new content appears. But the feature remains valuable for anyone looking to track photos or videos in real time. If you are worried about where the target device is located, mSpy offers real-time GPS tracking. You will get access to a detailed map of the device's location and the information updates regularly. This can be great for parents who want to keep tabs on their kids or for employers who need to track company vehicles or employees. Additionally, mSpy features geofencing. This allows you to create a virtual boundary around a certain area. If the target device enters or leaves the designated area, you will receive an instant notification. This feature is perfect for setting up alerts for specific locations like a school or home. mSpy excels in tracking social media activities. It supports a wide range of social platforms including WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, Snapchat, Viber, and more. mSpy can track messages, multimedia files, and even deleted conversations, making it one of the most powerful social media monitoring tools available. However, there is a limitation. For apps like Snapchat and Tinder, the target phone must be rooted for mSpy to track data from those apps. Without rooting the device, you will miss out on monitoring some of the more popular apps. But for everything else, the app performs admirably. For those who want to see every single action the target user makes, mSpy includes a keylogger. The keylogger records every keystroke made on the target device, whether it's typing a text message, browsing the web, or entering passwords. The timestamps allow you to track exactly when each action was performed. Additionally, mSpy features keyword tracking, which lets you set specific words or phrases to monitor. If the target device user types any of those keywords in a message or search, you will be notified immediately. This feature can be particularly useful for monitoring risky behavior or certain types of conversations. If you are curious about the Wi-Fi networks your child is connecting to, mSpy offers Wi-Fi network tracking. This feature lets you see which Wi-Fi networks the device is connected to, along with timestamps and locations. Parents can use this to track the places their kids are spending time, such as friend's house or public hotspot. Moreover, mSpy allows you to block Wi-Fi networks remotely, adding an extra layer of control to keep the target device from connecting to specific networks. One of the more advanced features mSpy provides is screen recording. The app can take discrete screenshots of social media apps and other activities whenever the target phone is used. The catch, however, is that the screenshots can take up to 15 to 30 minutes to sync with your dashboard. While it's not instant, it's still a handy feature for tracking app usage in real time. Now, let's talk pricing. mSpy isn't free, but it offers 3 plans: monthly, quarterly, and yearly. The monthly plan starts at around $48.99, the quarterly one is $28 per month, and the yearly comes down to $11.67 a month. The support team is another big plus. I have tested their customer service and I can say they are super responsive. Whether it's before or after purchasing, you can get in touch with them via live chat on their website, and they are quick to help. So is mSpy worth it? Overall, I think it's a solid choice for tracking calls, messages, GPS locations, and even social media activity. It's not perfect. There are some limitations with social media tracking unless the device is rooted, and the app can be a little slow to sync at times. But if you are looking for a reliable spy app, mSpy is definitely one of the better options out there. If you have enjoyed the review, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Spydrill for more content like this.